Rogi Kalyan Samiti. A. Part of Hospital Infection Control Committee. B. Ensure adherence to protocol of treatment. C. Example of community participation. D. Provides funds for sick community members. Now, among these four, only two are correct. Rogi Kalyan Samiti (RKS) is an initiative that emphasizes community participation in the governance of public health institution, and by ensuring adherence to treatment protocol, it aims to optimize patient outcomes. Also, it is a shining example of community participation as it seeks to involve the community in ensuring the best possible healthcare services available locally. So, the essence of RKS, Rogi Kalyan Samiti, is to make health institutions patient friendly and more responsive to community needs. So, patient friendliness is the most important thing aimed for in RKS, Rogi Kalyan Samiti. So, the correct answer here is option B, which is ensures adherence to protocol of treatment. C, example of community participation. So, this is the most appropriate correct answer for this question. Which among the following statements are correct regarding rapid sand filter? Loss of head refers to the gradual loss of efficiency of the filter. B. Loss of head occurs because gradually the sand layer increases in height and the column of water on top becomes lesser in height. C. When loss of head becomes very high, filters are subject to a washing process known as backwashing. In some rapid sand filters, compressed air is used as part of backwashing. So, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. So, among the four options, 2 can be correct or 3 can be correct. So, now we have to find out what are the rapid sand filter are crucial in water purification process. The loss of head refers to difference in height between the water entering the filter and water level within the filter, indicating the resistance to the flow of water. So, as water passes through the filter, particles are trapped in the sand layer, leading to gradual decrease in the filter efficiency as the filter gets clogged. This doesn't mean the sand layer increases in height, but the space between the sand particles reduce, increasing the resistance. So the resistance will increase here, the water will enter with difficulty. When this loss of head becomes significant, so this is loss of head. So when this loss of head becomes significant, it is essential to clean the filter. So we have to use some method to clean the filter. So method commonly used is called backwashing. Water usually enters from here. In backwashing, what we do with the help of a motor pump, we will forcefully send the water backside to the filter. When we send water backside to the filter, water will forcefully enter the bed and it will clear the sand particles here. So sand particles will get clear. Again the filter will be cleaned. So because of backwashing from the motor, the filter particle will clean. Again the sand will remain. So this is the backwashing method. Why it is called backwashing? Instead of water coming here, the water is sent forcefully backside. So that is why it is called backwashing. In some advanced systems, instead of water, air is used, compressed air is used, which assists the backwashing process. So dislodging the particles more efficiently. So correct answer here is option A. Loss of head refers to gradual loss of efficiency of the filter is correct. Loss of head occurs because gradually the sand layer increases in height and the column of water on top becomes lesser in height, which is wrong. The sand layer will not increase in size. When loss of head becomes very high, filters are subject to a backwashing process known as backwashing. That is correct. In some rapid sand filters, compressed air is used as part of backwashing is also correct. So the correct answer is option C. A, C and D only. They are all correct.